Pioneer DDJ FLX10 versus Rane Performer. Which 4-channel DJ controller should you buy? If you're choosing between two serious 4-channel DJ controllers, the Pioneer DDJ FLX10 and Rane Performer are both powerful options, but they're designed with different priorities in mind. So which one should you buy? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Pioneer DDJ FLX10 is a 4-channel controller that works with both Rekordbox and Serato DJ Pro. Its layout is familiar to DJs who are used to Pioneer's club-style equipment, with large jog wheels, performance pads, advanced stems controls, and the Magvel fader crossfader. It also offers two USB-C computer connections, balanced XLR master output, booth output, and DMX connectivity for compatible lighting equipment. Another advantage is its lower weight, at roughly 6.7 kilograms, making it somewhat easier to transport. The Rane Performer takes a more performance-focused approach and is designed around Serato DJ Pro. It features 4 channels, large 8.5-inch capacitive jog wheels with displays, 16 performance pads, OLED screens, and dedicated controls for stems. This makes the Rane particularly interesting for DJs who want to manipulate vocals, instruments, and other elements of a track directly during performances. Its hands-on controls give it a very creative workflow, although the controller is heavier at around 8.3 kilograms. So, which one is better? If you use Rekordbox, or want the flexibility of working with both Rekordbox and Serato, the DDJ FLX10 is the more versatile choice. It also makes sense if you prefer a traditional Pioneer club-style layout, but if you're fully invested in Serato and want deeper hands-on performance features, especially for stems and live remixing, the Rane Performer is extremely compelling. Neither controller is automatically the winner. Your software preference and performance style should decide the purchase. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know which controller you would choose.